A dog will love you more in 1 year than some people will in a lifetime. They don't care if you're rich or broke, happy or broken, dressed up or a mess. They don't care about your past or the mistakes you've made. All they really care about is that you're there, that you come home, that you love them back. And when the world turns its back on you, when people walk away without warning, your dog will still be waiting by the door, tail wagging like you're the most important person in the world. They teach you what unconditional love really means. And when they're gone, they take a piece of your heart with them that you'll never get back.